If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers, are you planning to take a break and go out for vacation? Then don't miss out Goa. Goa is one of the most happening places in India and is one of the top holiday destinations. Stretching along the Arabian Sea, Goa is well known for its beaches. From bachelors, young couples to adults and families, everyone can have fun at Goa. Let's take a look at the places that you should visit in Goa. Our exciting vacation started with Cinquerim Beach, one of the popular beaches in Goa. The place gives you an awesome picturesque view while you walk towards the beach. The beach is just next to the famous Aguada Fort. The fort is divided into Upper and Lower Fort, and the beach area is called the Lower Fort Aguada. The other side of the fort is the Kandolim Beach, which is also a better place for families. What not to miss here is the water sports, which includes speed boat rides, jet skiing, paragliding, to name a few. The boat ride is really a delightful experience as you can spot dolphins jumping out and playing. So don't miss the chance to say hello to the friendly dolphins. Next, we reach to Baga Beach, the most famous of all beaches in Goa. The coastal line starts from Cinquerim Beach, then Kandolim, then Kalangut Beach, and then Baga Beach. The sunset at the beach is a beautiful view that is truly a feast for the eyes. Kids will always love to enjoy in sand and beaches. My kid really had a great time playing there. Our next visit is to Snow Park. It's near Baga Beach. The place gives you a thrilling experience with number of snow adventures. You can find colorful igloos, adorable snowman statues and more. The park has number of activities that include climbing ice walls, playing with real snow and riding in sledge cars. Both kids and adults will surely have fun. Goa is also known to be the place for old churches. Basilica of Bom Jesus is a 400 years plus old church located in Old Goa. It happens to be the famous church in Goa. The main attraction of the church is its beautiful architecture. The interiors of the basilica will blow your mind with its beauty. It is the home to the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier, who happened to be one of the famous Jesuit saints. The body of Saint Francis Xavier is kept for public view for every 10 years, and this attracts lakhs of people from all over the world. It is said that the saint's body is as fresh as the day it was buried. The saint is said to have miraculous powers of healing. Our next visit is to Chapora Fort, which is a very good place for sightseeing in Goa. This fort is best known as the Bollywood film Dil Chahta Hai was shot here. As you can see, the view from the fort is breathtaking. You can spend a couple of hours here by looking at the natural landscape around it. Wind blowing from the sea make it a good place to sit and relax. Our next place is Bigfoot or Ancestor Goa Museum. It is a good place to visit. The museum is dedicated to rural Goan life. Old-time Goa is replicated with Goan culture, tradition and its history. The museum has many attractive sections. The main attraction here is the giant 14-meter sculpture of Mirabai, which is carved in one piece of stone and has been cited in the Limca Book of Records. Our next spot is Kolva Beach, one of the largest and popular beaches in Goa. It has fine powdered white sand which extends for nearly 25 kilometers and bounded by coconut palms. The sand and the beautiful sea are the beach's most famous attractions. Next place is Sri Shanta Durga Temple, which is located at the foothill of Kavlam village in Goa. The temple has a huge Deepastamba. It has an impressive idol of goddess Durga. It is said that the goddess had come to make peace, which means Shanti, between Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva, and hence the name Shanta Durga. Shanta Durga is holding two serpents, one in each hand, representing Vishnu and Shiva. And we finished our vacation in the resort beach where we stayed. It's the Mazoda Beach Resort in Margova. It was really an amazing and pleasant experience filled with best memories. Do share your memories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.